I, Dr. Vijay Chandra Jayala, welcomes you to VC Tech Education. As part of Python programming series, the first program I am going to illustrate is write a program to illustrate arithmetic operators. In previous session, we discussed regarding different types of operators. Among them, the first is the arithmetic operators. Here, we taken the variable A and B. A equal to int of input in double quotes, enter first number, close the braces, again close the parenthesis. So input, the value will be of input, that is the variable type is int and it will be stored whatever we given in A. And B also in the same way, it's a integer type of variable and input, the display is enter second number. The number which is entered will be stored in B. Then print first value you entered, double quotes close comma A. That means whatever the value which you entered, that will be displayed here. Print the second value you entered, that is B. C equal to A plus B, that is I am going to add the C value, add the A and B values and store in C. Print sum of two values, that is C equal to A minus B. This is the second step where C equal to A minus B, that is subtraction of two values is C. Then comes to the multiplication, that is A into B. Multiplication of two values is C. C equal to A by B, that is division. Division of two values, then double slash B, that is floor division. So the floor division of two values will be displayed here. Then A asterisk asterisk B, that is the exponent form. Power of A and B is C. Next comes to a percentage, that is the modulus symbol. So modulus is C, that is nothing but the remainder which A divided by B. If you get the remainder, that is nothing but the modulus that will be stored in B. Then final statement print. Thank you. It's given by the VC Tech Education. So hope you all understood this particular program for the arithmetic operators, where the different operators we used here is addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, floor division, exponent and modulus. So these are the different operators which we seen here. Now I am going to compile the program. So enter first number. Enter first number means I am giving 8. Enter second number 2 I am giving. Then the first value you entered is 8. Second value you entered is 2. Sum of two values is 10. Subtraction of two values, that means 8 minus 2 is 6. Multiplication of two values, that is 8 into 2 equal to 16. Division of two values is 4.0 and floor means directly only integer value will be displayed. Then exponent or power of A and B is 64. That means 8 to the power of 2 equal to 64. Modulus is 0. We can divide 8 by 2. The remainder will be 0. So the modulus is 0. Thank you, VC Tech Education. Hope you understood this program well and the output is also explained. So in the next session we are going to see another operator, that is the comparison or the relational operator. Thank you for this session.